Born in the Pacific Northwest, from a lot of hard work and a singular goal, we have become the best damn chiller company in the world. Out here, we're known for our beer and brewmasters who love their craft more than their own beards. We share their same passion. With over 1,700 breweries around the world trusting us to chill the beers they love, you better believe we deliver. Whether it's knocking out your wort or maintaining your brights, we are there every step of the way. Like you, we never settle. We're relentless, and we strive to be better every day because we take pride in the work we do. We are a team of the best welders, engineers, designers, and technicians who understand that quality matters. We are craftsmen who know good enough won't cut it. So we work late to get the job done because our success depends on yours. Like your flagship beer, you can rely on us for the same quality and consistency. And we guarantee that every chiller we build will hit 28 degrees without breaking a sweat. We never stop. We draft, we craft, we service each and every brewery, big or small, all in an effort to build one hell of a chiller. So for that, we say thank you. Thank you for pushing us each and every day, one cool partnership at a time.